I'll tell you ingredients. So here we have soya sauce 1 teaspoon and vinegar 1 teaspoon, corn flour, coriander, garlic and chili is necessary because for Chinese food we need garlic and for chili we need chilies. And carrot, onion, red, yellow, green bell pepper and paneer, oil, sauce, and this is tomato ketchup, salt and black pepper, chili paste and sesame seed. So let's start making paneer chili. So first we will mix corn flour with paneer. I am making healthy paneer chili. It's type of healthy paneer chili. And yeah, last thing I forgot, the red food coloring. Guys, now I am mixing 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour and paneer. So let's mix. And I will mix it and I will shallow fry it. We are making healthy paneer chili, so we need less oil. So let's start. We need 2 teaspoon of oil. And now we will shallow fry it. Guys, I am adding food coloring. 1, 2, 3 drops. You have to see 2 drops. And I will mix it now. Guys, now paneer chili, paneer is shallow fried and this is yellowish and goldenish. आपका पनीर चिली ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, नहीं होगा तो आपका शायद थोड़ा कच्चा हो सकता है. I have turned on the gas. Okay. Guys, now I am shifting this to another pan. So guys, now I am putting 1 teaspoon of oil. Only 1 teaspoon because we are making healthy paneer chili. First we will इसको थोड़ा गर्म होने देंगे तेल को, फिर डालेंगे. इसमें तेल है in हिंदी. Guys, ouch. Now I will add chili and then garlic. Guys, ऊपर से डालना क्योंकि वो तेल जो है ना बहुत गर्म है. And now onion and bell peppers. And now we will put vinegar. First we will mix it. Yeah. We will put now salt. And now mix it. And now soya sauce and vinegar. First we will put soya sauce and now vinegar. And now this chili paste. And now and now black pepper. जितना भी अभी कॉर्नफ्लावर बचा है अभी इसमें हम पानी डालेंगे. It's water now. And we will mix it. Now it is mixed well. ये हम ग्रेवी के लिए कर रहे हैं ताकि थोड़ी सी ग्रेवी तो होनी चाहिए पनीर चिली में. Guys, now this is 3 or 2 spoon ketchup. I will add now. 2 minutes is done. And now I will add the mixture of corn flour and water. And I will mix it. And add some paneer. The whole paneer. The main ingredient. Guys, अगर आपको हेल्दी बनाना है तो आप ऐसे ही बनाना. Of course, हेल्दी खाना चाहिए अभी तो. So the paneer chili is ready, guys. Guys, now paneer chili is ready and it is so colorful. It has yellow, green, red, and etc. color. When my dad it will and my sister, so they will go in heaven. So let's put in yellow plate because it is so colorful. So I choose yellow plate. And now I will add coriander for garnishing. Guys, my paneer chili is ready now. And do comment, subscribe and share my channel. And this video is going to be again 20 likes. Try to do 20 likes. Bye.